Are you ready to sell your home and unlock its full potential in today's competitive real estate market? I'm Monica with eXp Realty, and I'm here to guide you through the journey of maximizing your property's value and ensuring a swift, profitable sale. Let's dive in and discover the steps to success in the world of real estate. We'll start by addressing the power of staging, which goes beyond aesthetics. Did you know that staging can create more emotional purchase for the buyer, ultimately generating more money for you, the seller? According to the Real Estate Staging Association, staging can make a significant difference in the sale of your home. Home staging just isn't about making your property visually appealing. It's about helping potential buyers envision how the home will look when they move in, making it appear more move-in ready. In fact, a report by the National Association of Realtors states that 82% of buyers' agents believe staging makes it easier for the buyers to see the property as their future home and speeding up the selling process. But that's not all. There's more to this journey. We'll discuss the importance of preparing your home, professional photography, digital marketing strategies, and the timeline for selling your home. So let's dive in and explore how we can help you stand out and attract the right buyers in today's real estate market. When it comes to listing your home, it's important to take the time to get it show-ready condition before putting it on the market. So after we meet and you decide to list with me, I'll give you a contract to sign. Once we have an executed contract, the work begins. This involves working with a stager to enhance the appearance of your home and ensure that it appeals to potential buyers. Although there's an additional fee for staging, it's essential because research shows the importance of staging in relation to the amount of money that you will get on your home, as well as how quickly your home sells. Once your home is show ready, we'll schedule a professional photographer, videographer, and capture all the unique features of your home. From there, we will work on all the back-end digital marketing to expose your home to the masses. We use a comprehensive digital marketing strategy that involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms to ensure that your home is seen by as many potential buyers as possible. So we properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms. Don't forget, we go on all the major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, you name it, we're there. And we've enhanced these sites to get optimum performance. During this time, we can also discuss whether you should have any inspections done prior to going on the MLS. We'll also go over all the disclosures with you so that buyers are fully aware of the condition of the home prior to making an offer. Once your home is live on the MLS, agents will begin calling to schedule showings with their clients. Depending on the time of the year and market conditions, it can take anywhere from a few days to a few months for your home to sell. If you're thinking about selling your home, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm Monica with eXp Realty, and I'm happy to answer your questions and help you navigate the process.